How to remove the front grille of 2019 to 2020 Toyota Camry. This video is divided into 3 steps. Disclaimer: this installation video is only for learning or reference purposes. This installation video does not assume any losses or liability incidents that occur during the installation process or after the completion of the installation. It is recommended that those without certain installation experience go to the maintenance workshop to maintain their own cars. Step 1. Dismantle the air conditioning intake pipe seal. Remove 5 clips. As shown in the figure, release the guide and dismantle the air conditioning intake pipe seal. Step 2. Dismantle the radiator grille emblem assembly. Remove 2 screws. Release 2 locating claws and the guide to dismantle the radiator grille emblem assembly. Step 3. Dismantle the radiator grille, mesh radiator grille. Remove 2 clips. Remove 10 screws in the radiator grille.